If you are a podcaster, gamer, streamer, or recording some songs, or simply doing karaoke from your home, you might want to consider adding this audio gear to your collections. Today we'll talk about a microphone wireless system, which is the Xvive U35. By the way, this Xvive U35 microphone wireless system is only for dynamic microphone. If you want something for condenser microphone, then it's the Xvive U35C. Anyway, this U35 microphone wireless system offers 5.8 gigahertz wireless system, which means it has more stable connections, and it offers 100 feet wireless range. Also, this U35 microphone wireless system has 6 wireless channels. It has 5 hours of battery life. It has 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz frequency response. It has 110 dB signal-to-noise ratio. It has less than 5 millisecond latency, which you could hardly notice it. Also, it has control to mute your microphone. For example, if your microphone does not have those switch to turn it off or turn it on, this one has that. So that means you can still mute yourself if you don't want to use the microphone. For example, if you're using Shure SM58, then you have the option to mute yourself if you want. This microphone wireless system is not only meant for a microphone, turning your microphone into a wireless microphone, but you can also connect your speakers and turning that into wireless. So that means you don't need to connect a cable to your audio source to your speaker, provided it has the right ports to connect this microphone wireless system. Anyway, to tell you more about this Xvive U35 microphone wireless system, we should get started, and I'll be doing some testing. Without further ado, let's get started. And now let's quickly check what comes in the box when you get this Xvive U35 microphone wireless system. Okay, so you will get this warranty card and this manual, and over here you get this USB-A to USB-C dual, so that means you can charge this to receiver and transmitter at the same time. So it's like a Y splitter. So USB-A to dual USB-C for charging them both. So this is pretty much their flyers. What else you can buy from Xvive? There it is. There's quite a few on here. So there is a pouch. There it is. Okay, so this one here, this is your transmitter. So this is the one you connect to your microphone if you want your microphone to be wireless, and this one is the receiver. This is the one you connect to your, let's say, mixer or sound card or interface. So this is the receiver, and there it is. This is what comes on the box. So here's the plan. I'll be testing and connecting this Xvive U35 microphone system to these 2 dynamic microphones on here. This is Maono Hybrid PD200W, and this is Fifine Tank 1 dynamic microphones. Okay, and this is the interface I'll be using. So this is Boss V22 vocal performer. Before I connect this microphone wireless system to these microphones on here, maybe let's talk about first the functions of this transmitter and receiver. Now, to turn this on is very simple. So there is a power switch on here, so just turn it on like that, and also this one here, just turn it on like that. There it is. And this switch over here for this transmitter, you will have to make sure to switch this one to the right whatever connections you are making. For example, if you're going to connect this one to a microphone, make sure this one is switched to the top, and then switch it to the bottom if you are connecting, for example, an external speaker, so that you don't have to connect cables to the speaker from your interface, whatever you're using. And mute over here, for example, this one here, this one does not have a power on and off or mute button. You can use this mute button on here. It's like turning off the microphone pretty much. So for example, you don't want any audio to come out from here, then you can mute it. So it's the same as turning it off, something like that. And now over here, so this middle portion on here, so if you press it, so something like that, it will go to the next channel or next wireless channel. So as you keep pressing it, it goes to the next. As I mentioned earlier, it has 6 channels total. There it is. So for example, it's something like that. So this is your transmitter is set to number 2, and then your receiver is set to number 1. You will notice there is no green light over here because that means they are not paired. So make sure they are the same channel. So if it's 1 over here, then it has to be 1 also on the other side. This receiver here can scan and select the best connections. So let's stop and hold this button on here, and then it will scan the good connection. So there it is, it's scanning. Okay, so it says here 6. So what you will do is you can change this one to number 6. So just keep pressing it until it goes to number 6. So press it again, press it again, press it again. There you go. So it's now number 6. Anyway, if you're experiencing an interference for some reason, you can change the channel. So for example, change it to number 2, and change this one also to number 2 to pair it. There you go. And now they are connected. This part here is your antenna. If I were you, don't cover it with your hand if you are holding the microphone. Otherwise, you might lose connections. As I've mentioned earlier, it came with this cable over here. So USB-A to dual USB-C. So that means you can charge them both at the same time. And if you want to have a full charge, it's about 2.5 hours to get a full charge, so that you will have 5 hours of battery life. But you can charge them, let's say 30 minutes if you want, then it gives you at least an hour. But if you want to charge, let's say an hour and 15 minutes, then it'll give you 2 hours of battery life. So it's up to you if you want to get a full charge or an hour. Let me turn it off and turn it back on. Just going to show you something. Okay, I'm going to turn this on. You see that red light's right there. And this one too, you see that red light over here. Now that you can see that there's no red lights on here, nor over here there's no red light, that means that your battery on here is 100 to 30%. Now, when a solid red light shows up here, same thing with here, that means your battery life is about 29 to 11%. Now, if it's flickering red, that means you have to charge it. You only have less than 10%. So it's for both. This one, if it's flickering red lights on here, same thing over here, that means you need to charge it because you're almost empty. So that's what it is. First, let's do a test connecting this to this Fifine Tank 1. Okay, so again, as I mentioned, we will connect this transmitter to here. So very self-explanatory. Connect this one, something like that. You will hear a click, and that means it is connected. Okay, and now let's connect this receiver to the back of this one here. I actually like this style that it is sideways, so there's a space, or let's say there is some ports on here, so there's space to connect something else. Okay, so it's like that, so you connect it like so. There it is, very simple. Okay, so from here, let's turn it on. Okay, and turn it on also from here. There it is. And there should be, okay, green light at the bottom over here. So that means that they are connected. Okay, and I'm going to turn on this one now. I'm actually recording this one right now to this device right here. And so I can monitor the audio. And by the way, I will be syncing also the audio output from this device over here, so you can hear whatever I'm hearing from this headphone over here. Sound check, testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, whatever you're listening to, this is now the recorded audio from this connections right now using this Fifine Tank dynamic microphone and, of course, this Xvive U35 microphone wireless system. And, of course, if I'm going to add effects from here, then it's going to be up to you. Whatever interface you are using, then of course you can use whatever effects from there. Okay, and now let's test the Maono Hybrid PD200W. Sound check, testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, whatever you're listening to, this is now the audio test connecting this Maono Hybrid PD200W. Okay, sound check, testing 1, 2. And if you want to use some effects, sound check, testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sound check. If, for example, you're using this one for maybe live streaming on TikTok, maybe you'll be singing. Let's do a quick sample on that. Anyway, for talking, for gaming, for podcasting, that's pretty much it. And it's up to you. From time to time, you want to use some effects to whatever interface that you want to use, then that's it. And so, for example, if you are going to be maybe recording or maybe you want to maybe live stream on TikTok for singing, maybe let's do a quick sample on that. So again, from here, I'm currently using this Maono Hybrid PD200W, and again, I'm using this microphone wireless system, Xvive U35. Okay, let's use this song over here. Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah. Anyway, that should be your audio output using this Xvive U35 microphone wireless system connecting to this Maono PD200 Hybrid W. And from here, another quick sample singing using this Fifine Tank, again, of course, with the use of this Xvive U35 microphone wireless system. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Anyway, that should be your audio output using this microphone this time, the Fifine Tank connected to this Xvive U35 microphone wireless system. Now, another possible connections using this Xvive U35 microphone wireless system is connecting a PA or an external speaker from the source of your audio. Okay, so we'll use the same thing. I'll use the same interface, so this Boss VE22, and I'll play some music on here, and I'll connect this to an external speaker using this transmitter and receiver. From this Boss VE22, I'm going to connect this receiver. So I've connected it to the one that's to the left side, to the one that says mono. And now the other side, so this time this receiver will be connected to the speaker. So this speaker beside me on here. So I'll connect it to here. Okay. Okay, so something like that. So in this case, whatever music I'll play on here, it will come out to that speaker. Okay, let me turn this on. Okay, and I'm gonna play the same song I was playing earlier. And by the way, because we're not connecting a microphone in this kind of setup right now, don't forget to switch it to line, not a microphone. So it has to be going down. Okay, there it is. Okay, so I've turned on already the receiver and transmitter. So whatever music we play on here, it should come out to this speaker over here wirelessly. So again, we did not even connect any cable to connect from the source of the audio, from the Boss VE22 to this speaker beside me. Okay, I'm gonna play this song right now. There you go. So as you notice, it works like that. So in other words, if you have a PA, you can actually place them to wherever you want, as long as it's 100 feet away from the source of the audio or your music, then that should work. You don't need to run a cable that long because this is really good. As you notice, the audio output is not laggy, it's not lagging, it's pretty good. So from here, what I'll do is I'm going to connect right away this microphone to the speaker. Anyway, as I mentioned, this speaker has vocal effects, has reverb and treble, so maybe I can use that. And I will not be using anymore the Boss VE22, so just this speaker alone. And this one here, the transmitter, I'll connect this one to here. Okay, so from here, whatever you're listening to, this is now the audio output from this kind of setup. So from here, this microphone is connected directly to the speaker, and the Boss VE22 is no longer connected in this kind of setup right now. And do not forget, since we're connecting a microphone, so make sure to switch it to mic level or mic switch. So push it up, something like that. Okay, so as you can see over there, that RCA that you can see, I have connected music for that. So I use actually this phone on here. So if I'm going to play a music, okay, there it is. So anyway, let's do a quick, maybe a short singing sample again in this kind of setup. So again, I am pretty much using only the speaker and this microphone on here, using this Xvive U35 microphone wireless system. Okay, I'm just going to add reverb from this speaker. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as it may, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. Okay, I'll pause it from there. I'll use the other microphone this time. Again, this time using this kind of microphone, the Maono Hybrid PD200W, connected to this Xvive U35 microphone wireless system. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me whenever I fall. You say it's best when you say nothing at all. Okay, there it is. So anyway, that should be your audio output in this kind of setup. So anyway, that is all I can share for today. I hope this video gives you now an idea as to what is the audio be like if you will be connecting this one to maybe a microphone or to a speaker. And as I've mentioned earlier, you cannot only turn the corded microphone into a wireless microphone, but also you can connect your speaker without any cable. Just use this Xvive U35 microphone wireless system. And for those of you who will be interested in getting one of this Xvive U35 microphone wireless system, I'll be adding a link under the description below, as well as the two microphones I used, the Fifine Tank one, as well as the Maono Hybrid PD200W. And also the YouTube music that I used, I'll be adding a link under the description below. By the way, I want to thank Xvive for sending me this set for me to do my review and testing. Thanks again, guys, for watching. If you like this type of video, please give it a like. And if you want more of this type of videos, consider subscribing if you haven't done yet. And hit the notification bell so you're always updated for all the upcoming videos I will be posting. Keep safe, and until next time.